Hello people, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, a special welcome to you. I ask that you check out the rest of my videos. If you like what you see, give them a thumbs up, leave a comment, but more than anything, I'm asking that you subscribe to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about little Shante Skyers, who was murdered a few days ago in Jamaica, and her body was found just thrown away in some bushes, like as if she meant nothing. And also I want to touch on the jungle justice that took place after her body was found and residents suspected an individual to be the culprit. First of all, I want to say condolences to the parents for Shante Skyers. I can only imagine the degree of pain it would inflict on any human being to lose a child that young. At the same time, I'm confused. I'm wondering what's going on in Jamaica, because growing up in Jamaica, I know Jamaica has its reputation for poverty and violence, but we've always had a certain kind of love and a certain kind of respect for life, especially when it comes to women and children, especially children. Someone this young losing their life in the manner that she has lost her life, it's unheard of to me. This is the first time I've heard personally anything like this took place in Jamaica. And when I came across the news, I had to double check if I was actually reading right. But it is what it is, and I can only imagine the pain that has been bestowed upon the community itself, and the fear and the unease. And I want to address this from two points of view. One, I'm going to address it from a legal point of view. Jungle justice, from a legal point of view, is wrong. It's illegal. And in any law-abiding society, we should let due process takes charge. We should let the police and the court handle its thing. That's from a legal point of view. And I could sit here on screen and I could say that is the right thing to do. From a parental point of view, I don't know what I will do. If from a parental point of view, for someone to discard my child's life and body like that, I can only imagine the vigilante retaliation that I would be seeking. At the same time, jungle justice is blinding. I understand pain like this can blind us, and we want someone to pay. We want the culprit to pay. But at the same time, anger added to jungle justice could also deliver injustice, if you get what I'm saying. The minute I heard that jungle justice was exercised, my first concern was, but did they catch the right person? As much as I would have no pity for that individual, we have to be careful when exercising our anger, especially when we're trying to execute justice, take justice in our own hands. I understand that due process is slow. I understand that courts are sometimes backed up. And I also understand the unfairness of someone killing my child and getting the chance to spend the rest of their life in prison. They're still breathing while my child is dead and deprived of their life. I understand that pain and I understand that anger. And because I do understand that pain and anger, it's the reason why I can also see some justice in jungle justice. The only problem I have with jungle justice is, was substantial and overbearing evidence found? Did someone admit, or did someone just accuse someone of being the culprit? There is two backlashes to jungle justice, because one, if we serve jungle justice on a person, within ourselves, we feel comfortable. We say, well, an eye for an eye. The Bible say that, and I feel better as a parent. My daughter will not come back, but at least the culprit is not here, breathing and living a life. But at the same time, the next backlash could be, what if our justice was executed and served to the wrong person? What if the killer was among us as we were delivering jungle justice on an innocent person? My fear is that the culprit could still be loose and another young girl could be at risk. Jamaican people, I want to say, when we're angry to this point where we're blinded by anger, we also must apply caution, because the last thing we want to do is be guilty of taking a life and leaving a wicked culprit alive walking around to do the same thing to another human being. The children are our future, and I'm all for that. So in respect of my channel devoting itself to Jamaica, I thought it was only right that I addressed this, and hope that I struck a chord in the people who were involved in delivering this jungle justice. Despite what went down with the jungle justice, I hope that the Jamaican police still do a full investigation just in case the wrong person executed by the mob. People, that's pretty much all I have to say today. Let me know what you guys have to say about that situation. As you guys can see, we're familiar with my channel. I'm at a different location. The sunlight in my office was too bright for me to do this video, so I decided to take it into another room. Thanks for the support, and I look forward to your comments. Until next time, peace.